Hi friends, I am V. Jyotipala, first MCom. Our subject name is Industrial Relations and Labor Welfare. My topic is different types of labor. இப்போ நம்ம லேபரை பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். Meaning of labor. Labor means the work done by hard manual. Labor mostly work done by unskilled worker. Laborers working in factories, services of doctor, advocates, officers and teachers are included in the labor. Definition of labor. According to Professor Marshall, and any extension of mind, of body, undergone partly or wholly, with a view to earning some good other than the pleasure derived directly from the work. Who is a labor? The work done by a group of workers or by a particular worker is referred to as their labor. Characteristics of labor. The laborer and his labor are inseparable. Labor is an active factor of production. Labor is perishable. Labor has a typical nature of supply. Supply of labor changes slowly. Labor is less mobile. Laborer differ in efficiency. Quality of workers can be improved by investing capital. Types of labor. Child labor, woman labor, contact labor, physical labor, mental labor, skilled labor, semi-skilled labor, unsemi-skilled labor, professional labor, productive labor, unproductive labor. Child labor. Child labor is often defined as work that derives children from their childhood, their potential and their dignity, and that is harmful to physical and mental development. It refers to work that is mentally, physically, socially, or morally dangerous and harmful to children. Causes of child labor. Poverty and unemployment levels are high. Access to compulsory free education is limited. Women labor. Women labor has been an important segment of the workforce of India 1975. Recognition of crucial importance needs that women's participation has always been necessary for the success of social and economic development is called women labor. Problems faced by women labor. Discrimination of workplace, safety of working women while traveling, health problems. Contract labor. Contract labor in connection with the work of an establishment when he is hired or in connection with such work by or through a contract with or without the knowledge of the principal employer. Provisions of Contract Labor Act 1970. Registration of establishment employing contract labor. License or contractor. Welfare and health of contractor labor. Penalties and procedures. Miscellaneous. Physical labor. Physical labor and physical strength is more important in comparison to mental labor is called physical labor. For example, the work of rickshaw puller, workers working in factory, porter who carries luggage on the platform. This is the example for physical labor. Mental labor. Mental labor is that in which brain is applied or mental fatigue is more in comparison to physical fatigue. For example, the work of an advocate, teacher, doctor, chartered accountant, etc. Skilled labor. Skilled labor is that in which special knowledge, learning, training and efficiency is required in performing the work. For example of skilled labor is carpenter and typist. Semi-skilled labor. Workers in semi-skilled labor have enough mechanical abilities skills to operate machinery, make an increased wage compared to those of unskilled labor. For example, of semi-skilled labor, electric floor polisher, dishwasher, unskilled labor, while the work in which special knowledge, training, or learning is not required is known as unskilled labor. For example of unskilled labor, digging ditches, picking fruits, mopping floors. Professional labor. In professional labor, individuals with highest level of knowledge based education and managerial skill. These people have usually invested the most in their careers, which make them the highest wage earners. Example of professional labor: doctor, scientist, lawyer. Productive labor. Productive labor is that labor which adds net value to the product. Labor producing material goods are productive labor. For example of productive labor: actor, cooks, dancer. Unproductive labor. While unproductive labor is that which does not add net value. Labor producing perishable goods, including service of servant, teachers, doctor, lawyers, etc., are unproductive labor. Wage employment. Wage employment can be defined as a mutual agreement between two parties, known as employer and employee, in which the employer, generally an individual, agrees to work for the employer, generally a business firm, government office, or sometimes an individual, under specific terms and conditions. Thank you.